I'm in Hometown Square. The railroad reopened yesterday, so I figured I'd just add this to the video collection. It's July 2nd, 2021. So I'll do the whole loop around. You have to get off each time. I'll just get back in line. There's a Hometown Square railroad station. This is a steampunk drum area. And this is the rest of Hometown Square. It's July 4th weekend, so it's pretty busy.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Great America Scenic Railroad. Our next destination is County Fair. Six Flags Great America offers free Wi-Fi. Feel free to hop on it now or download the Six Flags app. Ride wait times, interactive park map, mobile ordering, and much more are all available on the app. As we leave Hometown Station, you'll see the carousel turning round and around. Visit the Columbia, the world's tallest and grandest carousel. With over 100 hand-painted carousel animals, the Columbia Carousel is great for the entire family. As we enter Gurnee's place, you'll see Superman Ultimate Flight on your left. Soar like the Man of Steel himself on this high-flying roller coaster. With arms stretched forward and feet trailing behind, passengers fly freely like never before, sailing through sharp dives, high-banked curves, and spirals uniquely designed to enhance this flying experience. Also to your left is the Dark Knight coaster. This indoor family roller coaster takes you on a trip through Gotham City as it's being terrorized and torn apart by the Joker. As you attempt to escape, your only hope is that Gotham's silent guardian, Batman, can save you. Continue your adventure with a trip to Mardi Gras. Let the good times roll as Great America brings the biggest party in New Orleans straight to you. Every member of the family will find something for them, whether you're looking for some hang time on Mardi Gras Hangover or some family fun on Big Easy Balloons. It's not only about the rides though. Challenge yourself and win some amazing prizes by playing our games of skill. Yankee. But it packs a punch full of thrills with 3 amazing coasters. First up is the Joker. This coaster provides a wicked adventure where you'll soar outside the track between cars, facing other riders and dropping down 2 free-fall rainbow rocks and somersaulting along the way. Next is Batman, the Ride, which opened nearly 3 decades ago as the world's first suspended weekend coaster. Its speed, quick inversions, and compact layout make this original a fan favorite still to this day. Last but certainly not least is vertical velocity, or as its crew fans call it, V2. Clear for launch, V2 launches you from 0 to 70 miles per hour. A giant among coasters looms over County Fair to your right. Goliath is one of the most extreme coasters of its kind, providing an adrenaline rush like no other. Goliath takes riders up a steep 165-foot lift hill, down a 180-foot drop at 85 degrees, almost straight down, through overranked turns, and the world's first inverted zero-G stall. We are now approaching the County Fair station. Please remain seated until the train has come to a complete stop. Thank you for riding the Great America Scenic Railway.
the actual railroad at Great America reopened, so it's part of my video of all the rides that were there since the original. This one wasn't open when I did it. So let's just be a follow-up video as well as just a ride through of the entire ride. So here's the railroad station. Here's the sign for the Great American Scenic Railway. Newly painted and fixed up the wood.
Train is now moving, so once again, please remain seated for the entire duration of the trip. Our next destination is Hometown Square Station. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride on the Six Flags Great America Scenic Railroad. Celebrating its 40th anniversary, Primer's Love, placing out-and-back layout for airtight hills along the way. County fairs and rides on this. Here you will find 5 rides the whole family can enjoy. Also at county fairs, Daredevil Dive. For an additional flyers experience a cross between hang gliding and skydiving. Flyers are launched from a 120-foot tower, swoop down at 60 miles per hour within 6 feet of the ground, and then arch out over the park. There's just nothing like it. Towering above us to the right is Maxx Force. This revolutionary open-air wing coaster soars with no track above. From the makers of Batman the Ride, Great America, and Superman Ultimate Flight, Maxx Force takes to the skies and drops brave passengers across the stories and zero, maneuvering 5 versions, 3,000 feet of twisted steel track, and 2 extremers fly through keyhole elements. Coming up on the left is Metropolis Plaza. Here you can challenge Justice League, Bail for Metropolis. This adventure features state-of-the-art technology, high-tech video graphics, and full sensory gaming experience that puts you right in the middle of the action. After wandering the unbelievable 22,000 square foot Hall of Justice, you'll board the unique, twisting 6-passenger vehicle. Armed with a laser stun gun, you'll travel through a series of incredible scenes in the city of Metropolis, interacting with all the characters.
It is amazing that train Thank you for riding the Great America Scenic Railroad and creating these next 6 flags around America. On behalf of 6 Flags Great America, we want to thank you for being part of our history. Family memories for years to come. Enjoy the rest of your day here at Great America.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now entering into Hometown Square Station. As a reminder, please remain seated until the ride comes to a full and complete stop. Once again, this is a one-way trip and one-way trip only. If you are going to be exiting here at Hometown Square Station, please exit towards the back of the station. Once again, please exit towards the back of the station if you are exiting on a one-way trip. If you do want to ride again, you do have to get off and exit towards the front.